What we do have right now is a Bose Portable Home speaker, and in this video I'm gonna show it to you the connection if you are planning to work with the main board of this speaker. I already have the flexible cable. You need only at least one flexible cable or two, and this is the case of the unit. I already dismantled it so that we can save our time. And this is the panel board with wire flat flex cable, and the pin is 30 pins. And also on this flex cable, it has also 30 pins, and I dismantled it already. I will keep it aside. If you don't know how to disassemble this, I had a video, and please watch that video on how to disassemble this model, and also I will put it in the comment section so that you can easily find it. Okay, this is the power supply board, and also the battery is here, and the amplifier also is in this board. And this is the main board, the Wi-Fi board, and the control board is here. Now I am going to connect without using this case, so I will just sit aside, and we are going to use these three parts and one cable. This cable is 30 pins. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, as you can see, the pin number is here, 1 and 30, so meaning 30 pins, and also here 1 and 30, so the same 30 pins on both connectors, and also on the power supply board 1 and 30. And I am using this cable, flex cable with 30 pins. I will just zoom in so that you can have an idea about this 30 pins. And the original cable for the panel board or the control board is here with foam. As you can see, the orientation and the distance is the same, 30 pins. Okay, let us continue here. I am going to show it to you, the connection. And first thing first, you need to double check the supply. Make it sure that the battery supply is not there, because if the battery supply is there, the possible problem may occur, like the main board will get damaged. So make it sure that this line has no bolts. This is the ground, and this is the positive line of the battery. We have to measure it from the ground and to the battery line. Okay, I am going to set my digital tester to DCV, and this is the ground, and this is the positive line. And we do have zero bolts, meaning there is no bolts present on this pin, so our connection here will safe. And this cable, as you can see, this one is the open line. I mean, there is no insulation, and also in this side it has no insulation. Both sides the same, and at the back side it has insulation, also on the other side. And of course here the same, with insulation, here with insulation, on the other side no insulation, and here no insulation. So I'm going to connect first this cable to here. The orientation of this cable is down, and insert. Okay, our cable is already inserted, and this cable is the same here and here, it's the same. And then next I am going to install the main board. This connector will be installed to the main board, and the connector must be connected here, upside, this one. The no insulation side is upside. Okay, upside. Okay, the flexible cable is already connected to the connector. And for the panel board, this one is the no insulation side is down, down like this. Okay, so our connection is already complete, and what we are going to do is to test our connection, if it is correct or not, no? But I'm sure it's correct. And in order to wake up our battery, we need to plug the USB cable. But before that, let us see. Okay, so our battery is sleeping. In order to wake up, we have to plug our charger here to the charging port. Plug it in. Okay, and here it is. As you can see, there is a lights on the ring light blinking, and this light here is steady, solid white. Okay, we are going to measure the volts of the battery now. This is the positive. We are getting 7.2 volts here. 7.2 volts. And let us see here. No, here 7.2 volts, and here 7.2 volts. How about this one? No, here 4.7 volts on this side. How about here? No, and here 4.6 volts. How about on this side? 4.6 volts, and here 4.7 volts, and here 7.2 volts. No. How about on this side? No. And here, no also. No. Okay guys, so at least you got some idea here, and also here I am going to share it also. What is the volts runs on this part, these two cups. Okay, 4.2 volts, and here 4.2 volts, the same. And here also, here is 1 volt. And how about here? One volt also. Wow. And our panel still, the blue light here is glowing. Bluetooth. Mic off. Okay, off. Now power is off. Let us check the battery. If it still have volts, positive, negative. Now we are getting 7.3 volts. And I'm gonna turn on it again. Okay, system works again. And on this part, no, I am going to share it also to you. This is the ground. Sorry. This is the ground part here. And you see this line filter. We have 1.8 volts here. 1.8 volts. Sorry for the lights. Again, 1.8 volts here and here. Okay, 1.8 volts. How about here? 4.2 volts. And here 4.2 volts. And here, well, no volts. Maybe that one is for ground line. 1.8 volts. So the supply of this IC is 1.8 volts. And if you want to see the frequency the hertz of this resonator, I am going to show it also to you. I have here oscilloscope to at least give you some idea here what is the frequency on that part. Okay, I'm gonna change the mode to oscilloscope, and this is the, sorry, I need the this one. Okay, wow, it's short, no? I cannot measure it well. I am going to test both sides, and of course my finger here is, I'm gonna press the auto. I am, so be careful here because maybe our board will get damaged. This board is expensive. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. I'm touching other side, and here it is. Sorry. Oh my, I need it's difficult, huh? This one is really difficult. Okay, I need this tissue. Sorry guys, I don't want to make a mistake here, and I don't want to damage the board. Okay, let us check. And auto. So we have 12, 24, 30, 37. We have 37 frequency here. Oh, it's changing to 50 hertz. It is 50 hertz. Yes, 50 again, auto. Yes, it is 50.5 hertz, 50.51. Okay, so how about if I go to respect to the ground here, and on this side. Okay, auto. So nothing. How about on this side? Auto. So nothing. The measurement is on the both sides, and you get 50.51 hertz, I think. Sorry, I forgot it. Let us check it again. Sorry guys, I don't have. Okay, let's check on this side before the other side. Now here, and auto. 50.51 hertz here. 50.51. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn off the power, and we'll see the resonator here. Okay, sorry. Off. Okay, now off, and I'm going to remove his cable, and so this one and this one, and we'll see the resonator part. Okay guys, so this one doesn't have, I think, the information about frequency here. It is just written there that SGE21A, but we measuring here the frequency. If I test over here and here, we have 50.51 hertz, but with the respect to the ground, we are not getting any hertz here. I am going to give you another one tips. Okay, I'm going to change the mode to multimeter digital tester. Let us check the volts here. Okay, we still have 7.2 volts, but if, like for example, if you want to check this power supply, if it is okay or not without connecting the board, you need to check first the battery. If the battery is okay and you still have no volts here, you need to trigger or to wake up the battery. how to wake up the battery. Okay, it has two method. You need the power supply and just plug it in here, and the battery must be wake up. If the connector damaged, you cannot wake up the battery. And to wake up the battery, you need the tester. This one, analog tester. You have to set it to ×1, and you see this test probe negative. Actually, this test probe releasing positive, and this test probe or outputting positive on the black side, and on the red side it's outputting negative side. So to wake up the battery, you have to trigger it. Like for example, this is the negative side. You have to put the test probe of your tester, analog tester, the black side here to negative, and the black side is to positive side. You have to trigger it immediately, seconds only, and then release. Okay, so at least I already give you some idea, the tips on how to check. And of course, the important thing is to share with you I already shared to you our jig here, so that it will be easy for you to work on this board. And I make a video to troubleshoot on this board. That's why I made these jigs, and I am going to share it with you soon. Okay guys, so hope you have some idea here, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us.